So I started doing my nails. So what I did was pick up my correct size for my nails. I have some right here, but then I use something else. Where is it? Then I use this package right here that I also got from Amazon, and these ones are like the more natural looking ones. I'll show you the package right here. Those are the ones that I'm using. So right now I'm gonna start using the acrylic. Here are the tools. I use this file and these clippers to like kind of give them a pointy look first, then putting the acrylic on the top, because after you put the acrylic on the top, it's gonna be very difficult to give it that almond shape. So yeah, that's gonna see. So right here I have like my monomer liquid and my powder. So I'm gonna be using this brush right here. It's pretty big to help me out put the bits on top of my nails, create like a really nice smooth nail. And then I'm gonna be using this right now, acrylic primer, and this is the machine that I've been using. I'm working as well. This is the machine that I've been using, and it's that one right there that I think I showed you guys in my Amazon nail thingy. So yeah, that's what I'm using. And right here is what I'm gonna be using as well. I'm gonna be using this glitter right here with the pink powder, clear powder. So yeah. I'm so sorry about not being able to film the whole process. My camera just died on the middle of the process when I was filming, and didn't film like when I was putting the glitter in. What I just did was, I was really confused because I didn't know how to do it, and I ended up like doing a layer of like acrylic, then I did another layer of like the glitter, and I just grabbed the glitter with the same brush that I was putting the acrylic on. I just put it on top of my nails, then I did another layer of acrylic on the top, then I filed them. And as you are gonna see in the next picture, you will see like the nails with the glitter only. And after I put the glitter, filed them, and everything was like how I wanted them to be. I didn't make them perfect because, you know, I'm not a professional at nails. I'm just intending to do them myself, so I don't have to go to like the stores and everything. So the next thing I did was just put this little beads or like little stones that came in my Amazon packaging, just glue them on top of them, and that was all, you guys. Then I put the what was it, like the nail curer. Then I put my nails on like underneath the lamp for like a good 1 minute, and they are perfectly dry, you guys. And I love how this turned out. I didn't think it was gonna be this cute, but I love it. I actually live for it. So I'm actually gonna be doing another tutorial on this that looks much better and that has more in-depth information, because this was like my first try in camera and I wasn't good at it, but I wanted you guys to see how I did this. So I'm sorry if it's not perfect, but it's gonna be, the next one is gonna be, I promise you guys. But this one turned out very good, and thank you so much for watching.